What is tree map? So as the name tells, right, the tree map data shows data in a tree-like structure, right? That is what your tree map. It's a hierarchical. If you want to display the hierarchical data, then tree maps are the best fit one. And like pie chart, tree map also helpful to find out the part to whole relationship. When should I use tree maps? Okay, if you want to view the proportion of the parts and compare to the whole, then you can go for tree maps to display large amount of hierarchical data. And when a pie chart is not effective, it takes the burden of values of huge number of categories. As I told you, the flip side of pie or donut chart is if you have too many categories in a column, it will be too cluttered. Okay, so in that kind of situation, you can go for tree map. So what I'll do is this is your tree map. I just click on it quickly. And here I just resize it. And here what I do is the category, I drop it. And then I just drop the sales. Each category, what the sales, we can see it. The large. So in this case, what happens in the case of tree chart, tree map usual, it displays the values in the descending order. The highest value displayed top, next highest value will display the second one, the lowest value displayed the right bottom or so. Okay, so here we can see all the things. And if I drop another column here, for example, segment. If I drop this segment here, look here, you can see the segment, right? So it's hierarchical. So in the technology category, that is the top of the hierarchy. Within that, you have three different branches are there. So this is your root and branches. In each root, what are the branches, you can see it here. So hierarchical data. This is what your hierarchical data, not much different. You can go ahead and change the column name for this, rename for this visual total sales, and do formatting everything. If you wanted to have the labels, you can go and specify the data labels on, toggle this on, along with it, display the values also. But if you, with the help of the tooltip, you can get all the values, right? That is pretty much about the tree map. For example, here, can I drop one more column here? Yes, you can drop a region in your category. So in that case, the drill down icon gets enabled. And like in the case of matrix, if you have more than one dimension in the category, it will become a thing. It will display the icon on top of the visual. Okay, it gives you everything. And the beauty of this one is, look here, so many things are there. Even if I resize it to a small thing, right? In the smallest rectangle, you can see it here. The smallest rectangle also is visible. Okay, and if you hover the cursor on top of this, right, it displays what this smallest rectangle is all about. Whereas in the case of pie chart, first of all, you will not find this kind of thing, right? It's all too skinny. So with this demonstration, hope you understood. The tree map is really helpful compared to the pie chart. Even if you have multiple categories, then you can go for pie chart. Hope you understood. Sorry, the tree map. Okay. Don't use pie chart if you have too many categories. Okay. And even you can display the data in a hierarchical manner in the tree map also. This